What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best drone in the Philippines through extensive research, and I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Introducing Number 5. Syma Philippines X5 HC1 Quadcopter Drone. Why you need to buy this drone? Syma X5 HC is very affordable drone, very easy to use and control, and has a decent 2.0 MP HD camera. If you're new to flying a quadcopter, this is the ideal option for you. Although it's not as luxurious as the others, it does an excellent job of teaching you how to use one. It has a great performance thanks to its decent quality 2.0 MP camera, 6-axis flight control systems, a colorful flashing light, and 360-degree aversion. Moreover, it has a transmission range of up to 50 meters and excellent stabilizers. The best news is that the entire kit will not set you back a lot, making it ideal if you're just getting started with droning. Number 4. SG-107 HD Camera Drone. This drone is very affordable, good camera quality, and has cool features like gesture interaction and dual positioning. A foldable quadcopter with a 4K HD camera offered at such a low price is uncommon, but the SG-107 is one of them. This feature-rich toy-class drone is available for less than 2,000 pesos. It has a 4K HD dual camera system that allows for high-definition aerial photography and 1080p filmmaking at 20 frames per second. While the good camera is one of its selling qualities, it is the fun gesture shooting feature that drew our attention. When you give it the victory sign, it will approach you and begin taking shots. You can also start recording videos by showing the palm sign. It's a really cool feature that makes it easier for you to take group photos and videos. Number 3. Syma Philippines E58 Quadcopter Drone. Premium looking drone at a budget price, has a compact design, with Wi-Fi FPV support and good camera quality. The E58 is a drone with a look of luxury, yet it's definitely a budget drone best suited for new pilots. The camera is one of its better features, which is surprising for a drone that costs. It's not as amazing as the camera that comes with the DJI Mavic, but it's still good enough to produce films and photos that will wow your family and friends. Furthermore, the camera has FPV functionality, which means you can stream live video footage to your mobile device, making it, in our opinion, one of the coolest features of this drone. Overall, we feel this drone delivers great value for money when considering its functionality and pricing. Number 2. KK8 Philippines Mini Drone. This drone is small and lightweight and very affordable. The KK8 is one of the smallest drones we've seen, so if you want one that can fit in your pockets or light travel bags, this may be the one for you. But don't worry, because its tiny size does not prevent it from having outstanding features like the other drones on our list. It has a 1080p wide-angle camera, an innovative 6-axis gyro system, waypoint flight, 360 degrees flip, one key to take off/land, and gesture photo and video. With such fascinating features at such a small size and low price, it's no surprise that this drone has received wonderful ratings on Shopee. Lastest, Y018 Philippines Foldable Pocket Mini Drone. Why you need to buy this Y018 Pocket Drone? This drone is foldable, compact design, easy to use with smartphone app control, and affordable. There's nothing wrong with getting a drone with the express aim of, but for this reason, we recommend going with the least expensive option, the Y018 Pocket Drone. It's not a perfect drone for filming because the camera quality is just average at most, but it works well enough and has a sturdy design that can endure several crashes. This makes it the ideal drone as a gift for youngsters. It is safe, sturdy, incredibly easy to operate with the smartphone app, and quite inexpensive. We hope that this guide on this 5 best drones in the Philippines has helped you pick the best drone for your droning sessions. Please share this with your family and friends if you have found it useful. Thank you for watching.